tutula daw siya, okay? Palakpakan natin si Daniela.
Between two angels.
Yay!
There's the one, a child, sweet and fair, watching some fruit that had ripened there. Two anxious angels were watching above.
Kaya niyo yan!
One begging in hatred, the other in love.
Kaya niyo yan!
One
Wala kayo niyan!
in black, the other in white. The child never knew that the angels were there. To slow for the truth, so rich and so rare. How I should like the apple so rare. But I cannot forget
So yung pang blind.
dear mother said.
Tatlo lang, tatlo.
Just doing the deeds I'm forbidden to do would make me happy and grieve their heart too. Take heed to the archangel whispered, and it's not very often you get to there's no one to see and no one to tell. So, up and it could reach the good land, but the child paused a moment and said as he smiled, I want a tip, I'll be a good child. The rustling sound is the summer air. One angel was gone, but the other was still there. The angel of darkness had taken his flight. The child was alone with the angel of light. In this little story, we plainly can see an everyday lesson for you and me. We can conquer temptation. That angel of God, if we will listen to conscience.